guys, welcome back. I'm back here with Scott. He's got something to tell us, right?
I do,
How are you?
Charlie. I'm good.
That's great.
We sent out a survey to all our customers, and I want you guys to know we heard you. We're listening loud and clear. We've created a customer service support system to better help our customers.
Sweet. So can you tell us how does that work? I mean, how do they get a hold of you?
The customers can call us and email us, and we'll create a support ticket to help them with all their troubleshooting needs. And we've also created an annual service contract at huge discounted rates to take care of all of your service needs, and you get those discounted rates throughout the duration of your contract.
That's great. Does it include parts?
It sure does. It includes all the spare parts you'll need for the wear and tear to keep you roasting.
Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks again for watching, and keep posting and keep subscribing to us. Until next time.